They have software which uses artificial intelligence and big data techniques to help the agents work more efficiently with their customer base. But the other thing that they do is they allow the carrier to have insight into what's happening in that front end, what's driving renewals, what's driving upsell and cross-sell, and all to the benefit of the carrier. What drew me to Pentation Analytics is the fact that it's actually an established business model. They have a customer base in India. It's up and running. I thought the capability was very strong. I liked the use of artificial intelligence to help make that customer interaction more efficient. And I thought the fact that they have a proven customer base and a proven business model was excellent. My first impression of Pentation Analytics was that this is a really great business model. The way that they've thought about how to marry the agency interaction to the carrier was the thing that really jumped out at me. I would say that the biggest change that I've seen in them is the way their understanding of the U.S. marketplace. As I said, I thought they already had a great business model to begin with. So the how to take that business model and adapt it to the U.S. market, it's not an easy thing. You're coming to a whole new country. U.S. business model for insurance is different from most of the world. So there's a lot of learning curve, but they've made a lot of progress in their understanding, and I've been pleased to see that. Well, if I could describe the team in one word, I would say earnest. They work very hard and they take their work very seriously.
Hi, I'm Anirban Roy from Pentation Analytics. For the insurance industry, we've got the future in a box. It's a predictive application for the use cases of retention, cross-sell, and profitability. We're very happy to be in the Bushnell Theatre. Many stories have been told. We too have a story today. In the business world, the rearview mirror is always clearer than the windshield. Warren Buffett once said that. What he meant, he would have liked to have a clear view of the road ahead. Pentation helps doing that. But before going there, we'd like to see what happens in the insurance industry, the different dilemmas. The customer is mostly confused. The CXOs have their own challenges. The agent has to meet with the customers every day. And the underwriter has to balance them all. But the customer has to be retained. And in this industry, the customer can become unhappy for all sorts of reasons. Coming back to our proposition, in insurance today, there are primarily three conundrums. Too much data, not very easy to use, not very easy to access. But if we crystallize it into three actionable areas, first, we need intelligence at the customer level. Two, we need to have timely interventions to give those personalized services in today's world. Third, the intelligence has to be understood and visible by all together, from the executives to the employees to the agents. In effect, what we are saying is the data needs to speak. This is where Pentation comes in. We have a very innovative platform. It's called the Insurance Analytics Suite. It is AI-driven. It is a ready-to-deploy software. And it caters to the use cases of retention, cross-sell, and profitability, and is aimed for everyone in the organization. So what does it do? How does it work? Three main features. First, it predicts at the customer level, at the policy level. It uses all forms of data. It is powered by AI, machine learning, natural language processing. So in effect, what it does, it creates a new data asset for the organization. And above all that, we have very strong intervention models built into it. Second feature, it's an all-in-one application. It's a ready-to-use software. It is ready to deploy in just 2 weeks' time. These are actual screenshots from different devices. Third, what we were talking about, it can be used by everyone in the organization. the CXOs, the underwriters, the salespeople, the agents. The information is very easy to interpret. We come to an actual case study where the product has been deployed. Within 3 months' time, we found that retention and productivity go up by 3%. We have been able to create machine learning-led customer personas, which are very effective for cross-sells. And the intelligent dashboarding with the use of cloud, the information is again easily delivered to everyone, including the distant agents. So, what we are talking about is the actual future in a box. With Pentation, the view of the road will be clear. So that was the product story. Our story started in 2015 as a big data analytics organization with a vision, analytics for all. Our product has been built on that vision. Our projects cater to a big cross-section of the financial sector. We've had 2 rounds of investments, and I'm happy to say, last year, we clocked $1 million. Our journey in the US continues. We've come to the US early this year. We are an entity based out of Connecticut, and we've made Hartford our home now. We have forged strong bonds with the universities of Connecticut. We've done projects with them, and we like the talent here. We call ourselves Pentationists. We are a 40-member team, people from all professions, insurance, data science, technology, and MBA. Insurance and insurtech is very natural to us. Our founding members have more than 60 aggregated years in insurance experience. We have a strong set of advisors. The ex-president of the Bombay Stock Exchange, she's here today. The ex-MD of Ajay Rastogi of Deutsche Bank. And very recently in April, we have been able to confirm the just retired chairman of the Insurance Regulator of India. He's an advisor now. Over the last couple of years, we've won various awards, accolades, have been cited at a lot of places. We primarily services the financial sector. We clock about a project a month. One project worth mentioning is very close to our vision, is for the Central Payments System of India. It caters to all the 700 banks of India. It has won us a lot of awards, and the data it processes is 30 billion. That's big data. Coming to our core InsurTech, our product is deployed in many multinational carriers and intermediaries. In fact, within a year, we've been able to be inside 15% of the PNC carriers in India. And I'm happy to say we are finalizing 2 pilots in Connecticut. To continue our story, we will require your wholesome support. We need customers, carriers, and intermediaries. We need partners for development and a go-to-market strategy. We're also looking forward for our next round of investments of $2 million. It will help us grow and expand our business in the US. It has been a wonderful journey. We are privileged to be a part of Hartford Insurtech Hub and Starupbootcamp. We would like to thank the mentors and the partners who have helped us the last few months. Thank you very much. It was fascinating. This is Pentation Analytics.